Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is Friday's upload. Thank you for being here. We're going to make a really simple and quick shrimp scampi. We all love that. We love going to Italian restaurants and doing that. Like if you already have shrimp that's cooked and pasta that's cooked, this would be really good. But with shrimp scampi, you can put it over top of rice, any pasta of your choice, or any noodle. But for today's recipe, we're going to be using butter. We're going to be using lemon zest. Here's 4 cloves of garlic. We got lemon juice. Here's the Rayos penny that I cooked the other day. You can see the previous cook from Wednesday. Here's the shrimp that I already did. And we got white wine, we got parsley, red pepper, and olive oil. So we got our pan right here. We're going to start off with putting some olive oil in there. Alright, so you're going to want to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and put this pan on medium. Put the stove on medium, so then let this pan warm up. Make sure you get the olive oil in all the corners of the pan, and we're going to start off with that first. Alright, so we got our olive oil down there. The thing is also, if you didn't have the shrimp that's already cooked, you could actually cook the shrimp 2 minutes on one side and 1 minute on the other side with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you could create the scampi sauce. But since it's a lot of times it's easier to make it ahead of time. So the thing we're going to do is take our butter. You're going to want 2 to 3 tablespoons. So just put that in there. And you see it, just let it start to melt. Then after that, we're going to throw in the garlic. And the thing you're going to want to do is, if you have to, turn this down more to low. You don't want to burn the garlic. So you want to so you got the butter in there now. Let's take our garlic and throw our garlic in there. So just start working that garlic around and make sure it doesn't burn. Alright, so you can see that garlic's in there. And we have that butter. That butter's going to make a nice sauce. Now take the lemon zest. Throw the lemon in there. And the thing you're going to want to do is work this around. If you have to, like I said, turn it down more to low. You don't want the garlic to definitely burn. So just work that a little bit. Like later on, if we need more butter, we can put more butter in there, because you want a nice creamy sauce. I don't have it, unfortunately, but usually if you put a tablespoon of cornstarch in here, that'll make it a little bit thicker. Alright, so you can see the butter and the garlic in there. The next thing we're going to do is add the wine. So we're going to add this white cooking wine. Alright, so with this white cooking wine, just watch for the splash up. You're going to want to put in 1/3 of a cup. Alright, so let that cook a little bit. And you're going to see the alcohol is going to get evaporated into that. Then the thing you're going to want to do next is take the lemon juice. Throw that in there. If we have to, like I said, at the end we could put in more butter if we want. But like I said, if you had a tablespoon of cornstarch, it would be really good. But I wish you could really smell this right now. Right now you can smell the garlic, butter, and the wine. The wine is unbelievable. But the better quality of wine you have, the better it tastes. The better it will taste. So let's get going. Like, we're going to let this go for another minute. And then we'll throw in some red pepper flakes and parsley. And then we'll put it on a simmer and add our shrimp. Alright, so that shrimp scampi sauce is really coming to life. Look at that. So now we're going to go over here and take the parsley. We're going to use that towards the end too. But you want to put some parsley into there. And just to give it a little bit of kick. And in a lot of Italian recipes, they use red pepper. So just throw in a couple red pepper flakes, and that's it. But keep the parsley aside for the end to garnish it. Alright, our sauce is done. That wine cooked off. Now we're going to take the shrimp. Throw your shrimp in there and just work it around. We're almost there. That's what I said. Like if you have shrimp already done and pasta made, you can make the shrimp scampi in like 8 minutes or less. But look at that. The one thing would be is if you had fresh parsley, that would be a lot better. But look at that sauce. And like I said, if you wanted this more buttery, you could add more butter in there, but you can see that sauce right there. Alright, so you can see this scampi right there. Look at that, how it came together. The wine evaporated and blended in. And the garlic and all the sauces came together. So the thing we're going to want to do is whatever pasta you want to use, throw that in there. This is the Rayo's pasta. I know it's going to be a little bit different. This is usually over angel hair or linguine. But you can use whatever you want. So just mix this in here. And then this penny that I'm using, I'll get some of the sauce in here. So the thing is, keep the stove between medium and low and just start working it together. So we're basically done there. That's how you make that homemade shrimp scampi in 8 minutes or less. Now I'll plate it. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I'm coming to you in 4K. POV, point of vision. There's the shrimp. And here's the sauce. So, look at this nice sauce. So you can drizzle that over. And look how golden that becomes. And then you can take your bread and dip that in there. But today's Friday's upload. Shrimp scampi. Look, all that butter and garlic in there. But that's your Friday's upload. Have a good weekend. You be safe, you and your family. Dansoy Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. I will see you Monday, and I will bring you 2 to 3 uploads next week. So peace. God bless.